What if I told you that a faceless YouTube channel is raking in a whopping $30,000 a month, and another, a cool $11,000? Their secret? They're not filming expensive vlogs or doing crazy stunts. They're just posting simple, irresistible quiz-style videos. Now, you might be wondering, just how simple? So simple that by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. I'm exposing their secret on this method, step by step. You don't want to miss this. Stick with me till the end of this video, and let's unlock this YouTube goldmine together. Are you ready? Let's go. Start by copying and pasting the provided prompt into ChatGPT to automatically generate 10 quiz questions. Once done, navigate to canva.com and select the video design type. Within Canva, click on the Elements tab and search for backgrounds. I recommend the spiral design, but pick one that suits your style. Add a text box to your canvas and title it, "Would you rather?" Finally, customize your design by adjusting text colors and fonts to match your desired aesthetics. Proceed to the Elements tab and enter frames in the search bar. Once you reach the frame section, select one that appeals to you and drag it to your desired position on the canvas. Customize it further by altering its color. For imagery, I'll be inserting a dog picture into my frame as an example. To duplicate this frame, either press Ctrl+C or right-click and select Copy. Reposition your copied frame, and then insert another image of your choice into the second frame. Next, we will need a background shape for our text. Search for Shapes, and opt for the rectangle. Adjust its size to your liking, and color it white. Duplicate this shape for the second image. Leave some empty space below, because we will add a loading bar there. To add content, return to ChatGPT and extract the first question, adjusting the font to fit within the rectangle. Repeat this for the second rectangle. For clarity, let's number our questions. Simply search for the number 1, drag it to the top left of the canvas, and customize its color to your liking. Now we will introduce a loading bar. Input loading bar in the search and select your preferred design. Ensure you crop the video to display only the loading bar, eliminating any background color. To synchronize the loading bar's progress with the video length, right-click, select Show Timing, and adjust the duration accordingly. To invert the loading bar's animation, opt for Flip and then Flip Horizontal. For a cohesive look, group the image cards and text. Simply click on an element, hold Shift to select all related items, right-click, and choose Group. Now select the grouped element to apply an animation effect. Click on Animation and pick your preferred style. To incorporate sound effects, search for Click Timer. In the audio section, select the Egg Timer option. For context, it sounds as follows. I recommend trimming this sound to play only towards the clip's ending, signaling that time is almost up. After, proceed to the Apps tab, input Bulk Create, and choose Manual Data Entry. Return to ChatGPT, copy all quiz questions, and paste them into the designated columns. Label these columns as Question, Number 1, and Number 2, then finalize by pressing Done. Alright, to save us some time and effort, let's get things set up automatically. First, give each text field a quick click, then right-click and pick Connect Data. Just make sure everything lines up. The main header should tie back to Question, while the following options should match up with Number 1 and Number 2. Got it all sorted? Great. Hit Continue and then Generate Pages. Voila! You should now see your video slides come to life with text from our ChatGPT responses. Whoa, seems our audio had a little hiccup. No sweat. Let's split up that clock timer sound and add it onto the end of each video. Oh, and see that text looking a tad off? Remember when we grouped them all cozy-like? Time to set them free by ungrouping so we can shuffle them around. Do that for every question. And hey, if you're feeling a sprinkle of creativity, I'm thinking of hunting for a snazzy, new spiral background, maybe in a different hue, for our next batch of questions. Position it all the way to the back, delete the old background, and throw in images that correlate with the next prompt. While you're in the groove, search the number 2 to label your next question, and update the rest of the numbers for each slide. Decrease the new background length to match the first video. To enhance audience engagement, we'll incorporate a voiceover for our questions. Begin by accessing Fleeky and selecting New File. Opt for audio only, choose a suitable file name, and then submit. Fleeky offers a variety of voice options. You can preview them by clicking on Sarah. Although there are multiple voices available, for this walkthrough, let's utilize Sarah's excited tone. Ensure you apply this voice style across all voiceovers. Next, return to ChatGPT and copy the data for the questions. Pasting this data into Fleeky will automatically divide it into 10 sections, reflecting our 10 questions. In the settings, adjust the timing to 1 second. Playing the audio back, you might notice some inconsistencies.
Would you rather have the ability to fly, have the ability to turn invisible?
Perhaps it's missing punctuations or certain words. Edit accordingly for a more natural sound. Repeat these steps for all questions.
Would you rather have the ability to fly or have the ability to turn invisible?
Once done, download the audio. Now, navigate to Canva, upload the voiceover. In this demonstration, I've only utilized 2 voiceovers.
Would you rather have the ability to fly or have the ability to turn invisible?
Split and position them appropriately. If the voiceover's duration exceeds that of your video, simply extend the video's length. Additionally, adjust the loading bar by right-clicking, selecting Show Timing, and moderating the playback speed to synchronize with the voiceover.
Would you rather have the ability to fly or have the ability to turn invisible?
Once you've done this for every video, you're ready to download. Simply click on Share, then Download, and there you go.